How to use Teams personal account feature. To use the Teams personal account feature, first of all, you simply have to download the standard Microsoft Teams application from your device's Google Play Store or App Store. Now, once you download the application itself, you simply have to go ahead and launch it. And also make sure to log in using your Microsoft account. Now, you have to go ahead and then tap on this chat option, and you can also use the search bar. Once you sync your contacts, you can now go ahead and message them using this Teams application, as well as you can invite via link. You can also create a community or group over here. You can also proceed to schedule personal meetings and events from this calendar option. And you can also share files as well as coordinate on certain tasks. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.